Help with a Karcher pressure washer that won't start. Karcher is a German cleaning company that specializes in both industrial and domestic pressure washers. Troubleshooting steps are useful for eliminating frequently occurring problems before you call for professional repair. Your pressure washer might not be starting due to problems with the power supply or the appliances settings. Troubleshooting your Karcher pressure washer will take about 10 minutes. The exact location of buttons will vary depending on your model of pressure washer. Verify the power switches in the eye-on position. Although apparently simple, forgetting to switch on the pressure washer is surprisingly common. Confirm the pressure washer is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Check the outlet is switched on if your household outlets are fitted with on/off switches. Replace the extension cord with either a 25-foot 12/3 gauge cord or a 50-foot 10/3 gauge cord. Other types of extension cords may not work with your Karcher washer. Check your fuses or circuit breakers. Some of your electrical circuits may not be functioning due to a blown fuse or tripped breaker. Verify that all fuses or breakers are active.